morning. Welcome to our daily morning meeting with Miss Crawford's class. I am so happy to see you here today. As always, I want to give a special shout out to my favorite students, Jaden, Shayla, Dulce, Miguel, and Lino. Hi guys, I miss you so much. I hope that you're all staying healthy and safe and happy at home. All right, let's do our morning daily meeting. So here's our calendar. We are missing the month. Do you remember what month it is? Right now, we are in April. All right, so we've actually been in April for quite a little while already. We only have a few days left, but yesterday was the 21st, which means today must be the... If you guessed the 22nd, then you got it. Today is the 22nd of April. Now you might notice that I put a special little dot on my number 22, and you don't see those dots on any other days so far in this month. What can that mean? I think it means that today is an extra special day, and in a few minutes we'll find out why. But before we get to that, let's keep going with our daily calendar. So now we're going to do today is, tomorrow will be, and yesterday was. We are halfway through the week. Wow, which means today is Wednesday. And if we want to say the full date correctly, today is Wednesday, the 22nd of April, and we're in the year 2020. If today is Wednesday, then that means that tomorrow will be, what do we think? Do we think it's Thursday? If you guessed Thursday, then you were correct. And if today is Wednesday and tomorrow will be Thursday, that means yesterday, the day that we just finished, was Tuesday. Very good. On our last daily morning meeting, we talked a little bit about the season. We said that April showers brings May flowers. And that means that the season that we're in right now is I'm going to give you a hint, ready? It's not the jump season, it's the spring season. We are in spring. And today is a most beautiful, gorgeous day. I'm going to look outside and see what the weather is. Ready? It's a beautiful sunny day. Woohoo! That means I'm going to take my little weather arrow and I'm going to point it on our weather chart all the way to sunny. And what a beautiful sunny day it is. I hope you get some time outside to enjoy this lovely, lovely day. And now I need to continue with our weather graph. We had 2 days in a row that were partly cloudy. Luckily it didn't rain a lot, which is kind of nice. But today we're going to put our sticker on sunny. Here's our smiley face stickers. And because it's bright and sunny, and because it's our special day, I'm going to put green for plants. And in just a moment, we'll talk about why it's that special day. So over here, I have cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, stormy, snowy, windy, and sunny. I'm going to put my little sticker right on sunny. And I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that over the next few weeks, our sunny graph goes up. That would be great. Now that we have all this, let's talk for just a moment about that special little dot. Okay, it's time to reveal what the special dot was for. Today is a very special day where we celebrate Mother Nature and planet Earth. Today marks the 50th anniversary of the very beginning of Earth Day. Happy birthday, Earth Day! So I'm gonna put Earth Day right on our special little spot so that we can celebrate. But what is Earth Day? Glad you asked. Okay, I'll tell you. This comes from earthday.org. This is the original organization that began Earth Day back in 1970. Earth Day was a unified response to an environment in crisis. Oil spills, smog, rivers so polluted they literally caught on fire. On April 22nd, 1970, 20 million Americans, that's 10% of the US population at the time, took to the streets, college campuses, and hundreds of cities to protest environmental ignorance and demand a new way forward for our planet. The first Earth Day is credited with launching the modern environmental movement and is now recognized as the planet's largest civic event. That means that's the biggest thing on the whole planet Earth, where people from countries all over the world come together and they work toward a common cause, which is protecting our beautiful environment for our generation and many generations to come. So what was the result of the first Earth Day? Let's see. The first Earth Day in 1970 launched a wave of action, including the passage of landmark environmental laws in the United States. The Clean Air, Clean Water, and Endangered Species Acts were created in response to the first Earth Day in 1970, as well as the creation of the Environmental Protection Agency, also known as EPA. Many countries soon adopted similar laws. Woohoo! Way to go, America! Earth Day continues to hold major international significance. In 2016, the United Nations chose Earth Day as the day when the historic Paris Agreement on Climate Change was signed into force. So when we go through our daily activities in our SlideShare that I'm sending you today, go ahead and look up earthday.org if you want some more information on this great organization. I'm also going to post some videos and different interesting activities that we can do today that celebrate Earth Day because it's such a special, special day. And one of the things that I've done, which is my little contribution to making this planet a little more green and earth friendly, is I've planted my own garden in the backyard. After we do our daily letter, which is the letter B today, I'm going to take you outside to look at some of my brand new little sprouts that have come out because we are in spring, and I think I mentioned on the last daily meeting that I have started planting my own garden. Some of those little seeds have grown up through the soil and sprouted to find the sun. And I'm hoping that today, because it's so bright and sunny, they're gonna sprout even bigger. Yay! All right, let's get to our lesson on today's letter, B. Hi again. So today we're going to continue with our alphabet poem book. We are doing the letter B. And I am going to read to you the poem for B. B is for bear. B is for bee. B is for the butterfly landing on me. And that seems very appropriate because with springtime, we're starting to see a lot of beautiful butterflies coming into our garden. Let's think of some words that start with the letter B, shall we? Hi again. So that was fun and super fast. We came up with some words that start with the letter B. Let's take a look and see what we got. Baby, bubbles, book, ball, blue, basket, butterfly, bonnet, boy, bumblebees, band, banner, bottle, and bath. Can you think of more words that start with the letter B? If you can, shout them out or write them down in your journal. Now that we finished our alphabet letter B page for our poem book, I want to take you outside to see my special garden. But before I go outside on a very sunny day, I have to think about, what do I have on my sunny day checklist? These are things that can protect me from those UV rays and make sure that my skin and my health stays intact if I'm outside in the sun all day. Let's see what's on my checklist. First, I have sunscreen. We don't want to forget that. I like to spray it over any part of my skin that's going to be showing toward the sun. Woo! Sunscreen, check. What's next? Sunglasses. This is really good to protect my eyes so that I can see for a long, long time to come. Here's my sunglasses. Sunscreen check, sunglasses checked. I have one last thing on my list. It's a hat for my head. Here's my favorite hat for when I'm gardening or when I'm outdoors for a long time. Ta-da! Now that I've checked off sunscreen, sunglasses, and hat, I'm ready to go outside. Come along and join me. Hi again. Welcome to my garden. I'm going to show you around. Recently, I've put in my spring plants. This little fellow here is a blueberry bush, and I can see that he's already sprouting a couple blueberries. I can't wait to try them out. And over here, we have some hot peppers. As you can see from the color red, they get very, very hot and very spicy. I highly recommend them if you like spicy food, but if you don't even try them. They'll burn your mouth. This little guy is my new grape plant. I'm hoping that he produces some beautiful grapes. And finally, this is my garden bed. As you can see, some of my plants are already taller than other plants. Some of them, like my tomato plants, I purchased and they were already rooted in a little case. So I just repotted them into my flower bed and they're growing nicely. Whereas other plants I planted from seeds. This little guy right here was just a seed about a week and a half ago, but he's already sprouting nicely. I'm hoping that in the next few weeks I have some yummy radishes, carrots, and green onion that I can throw in my salad. Do you have a garden at your house? If you do, I would love to find out what kinds of plants you're growing and how they're doing. I hope you had a great time with our morning meeting today, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. It's so sunny and bright. Enjoy.